threat? We gotta jump them knuckles. Come on, kid. Flip my shoulders. Grab my lily. What? That's good. Your chaser must have moved on ahead. We gotta hightail it to the Hawk. Pronto.
The Hawk?
The engine. The engine, you tenderfoot. We gotta make the engine before we hit Flat Top Tunnel.
How come?
So many questions. There is but 1 inch of clearance between the roof of this Rattler and the roof of Flat Top Tunnel. Savvy? It's just the run up to the hump, kid. This'll be interesting. Get back on, kid! Hurry! Get my muck stick! Only one trick to this, kid. When I say jump,